Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix fail to find installed product when you try to launch Minecraft. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, you just need to open up Microsoft Store and then you need to look for Minecraft, Java and Bedrock. Right, click on it, then here you need to scroll down until you see in this bundle and then look for Minecraft for Windows, right? Then you just need to press update button and wait until an update process is done. If you cannot see update button here, go to downloads and then update button will be here. If for some reason you don't see any update buttons, then what I suggest to do here is to reinstall Minecraft launcher and then relaunch it again and it will work. Now if I launch the game, it should work. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.